would feel that unconsciously and not, and roll back onto their side or onto their stomach. So that solved the snoring problem. And so it's empty, except I have two extremely lightweight wiffle. So what I do is I put the fanny pack on backwards. I put it on backwards at night. I didn't even have this fancy leather fanny pack then. I had just a cheap ass fanny pack, but it totally worked. I fell asleep that night and I slept many more hours than I normally would. Just the first night, I just wanted to share this as a public service to anybody who's able to sleep on their stomach or their side.